Today, my good friends, is Impala Day. Let's go crack the whip on this old piece of ish. I'm putting this car off for a minute. Got the energy today. This is the good old 95 Chevy Impala. Kind of put this on for a minute. This thing's in there too. There's a rust bucket, but it's gonna glide. I was in the house with my son watching I Show Speed. And he bought his father one of these. His father's car don't look nothing like this one. All right, folks. So, what we're doing here is finishing up, changing out this key, because we lost the key to this thing. So I had to take the whole lock cylinder out. So, let's continue the show. See him, gotta put the steering column back together. Everything's pretty steady. The battery. We're gonna try to start this thing later. Has no battery in it, so I'm not really concerned about steering wheel bag completely on me. Already trying this thing out, but can't get this part on the last thing. I'm not actually a mechanic. I work in audio visual. I'm an AV technician. But I do know my way around a few things. part one of me trying to get this thing back. At least it's starting. We have to change out the locking mechanism. Somebody lost the key. I don't see no names using the key. Notorious for using keys. This is actually my second time changing out this lock. I'm kind of pro at this thing. Part one of the Impala restoration. Just getting the key in the ignition so we can start this motherfucker. But as of right now, we have no battery. Put somebody on duty to go get a battery for this thing like 3 days ago. It still hasn't showed up. Having little micey issues with this damn car. That shit is too long. Let me get a stick. I'll use a stick because the Pistons are actually good on the hood, but I don't know if the wind blowing and fall down. This car is actually not in bad shape. It's just, it's got its rough spots. It's just been sitting too long. You can see this thing has a little bit of mice problems on the hood, under the hood. This car actually turns over. It runs pretty well. Now I haven't started since we found a little mice under the hood. I had to put a little mice trap down and capture that thing. So hopefully at the end of the day we start this bad mammoth gem up and it got no real issues. I'm gonna try to put some air in these tires. This one's fucking shot. I already know it. Dry rotted out. This one can hold some air. I think the fronts, I think it's really the two backs is kind of the issue joints. Got a guy that keeps leaving notes on this thing to buy it, so we're gonna try to get it roadworthy a little bit. See how much you want for it. Get this shit out the driveway. You see it's got some rough spots. This thing isn't totally rough. It's good to go. It's a decent motor. But there's been a mouse having a field day in this thing. So put new oil in it like 2 years ago. We haven't moved it or drove it. I want to do an oil change just to start it up because oil breaks down over time. But this is just part one. This is just part one. Hope you enjoy.